Hi again! In this lecture we are going to install a railing on this balcony. Let's open the first floor view. And I'm going to turn on the command railing. This shares the same method as floors, but this time we will pick the line tool, which is the default option by the way. Let's set an offset distance of 100 mm, so the railing will not be in the limit of the floor. Then I click on chain to create a railing easily all along the slab. I will make 3 lines, but on the left side I'm going to link it with the wall here. And the remaining segment, let's push it down to the intersection. I click to accept changes, and now I can go to the 3D view to have a general look of the balcony in this perspective. On the properties, and in case you need it, you can change the railing type, as there are a couple of them already loaded here. But let's proceed with the previous one. Finally, to access to the balcony, I think there is something we should change. Of course, we could jump over this window, but maybe it would be better with a door. Let's go to the first floor. Then I'm going to delete the current window. Next, click on the command door. I have to save the project. And then just go here and insert it more or less there. The exact position is not important because we are going to align it with the window. To do this, I'm going to open the south elevation. Then click on the Modify tab, click on Align. Now for the reference line of alignment. Select the center reference of the window, and next click on the center reference of this door. Then you can also lock the constraint in case we want to move the elements along this wall respecting the alignment. Later, if I want to change the door family, I can go to the Insert tab, click on Load Autodesk Family, and search for the door family you would like. As an example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on Load, select the door, click on the family in the properties, and choose a type of this family that I just inserted.